Hi there, I'm Ellinor K, and this is my channel where I give you input from the goddesses in the universe to use in your business development and for your business. And you being the woman in your business and wanting to be a successful business owner and to have more freedom in your life. So for the new year of 2025, I have a new twist on these weekly videos that I'm doing for you. It will be both with a bit of knowledge and input from me, and then also I have channeled some information from the goddesses in the universe so that they can also share their knowledge and their input for you in your business. So firstly, I sat down and had how do you say, a question and answer Q&A with myself and with the goddesses that I have contact with in the universe. And I never know what will come through. So this time I just sat down, what is the subject that I will have for January? And the first one was accessibility. So, how your followers and potential clients can access you and be in contact with you. That was the first subject. And that started out, and I was like, yeah, this is self sufficient, and we need to be in contact, and there needs to be contact info so that I can be reached if someone wants to reach me or you as a business owner. Something that I have realized myself is that I have a lot of people, friends and followers on my Facebook profile, which is a private profile that I have. And sometimes when I go there and I want to look up an email address or I want to see a web page or something for another business owner, I run short. I don't find it. So the first thing that I want to advise you to go and look at is your contact info on your profile on Facebook. And then also, if you have a page, which is a business page or a site on that, also to update those. The really interesting thing for me now was that I have changed my name. Before the name was in Swedish, which was Göra nu, and now as I've changed to the international and English arena, my name is instead Ellinor K in my business. So I needed myself to update the information. I hadn't done that, even though I've changed my name this autumn, that was last year. So that was really good. So those are my first tips. And then also to look at other social media where you are and where you appear is also interesting. And on Instagram, I realized just quite recently actually that you can put in a special segment in your profile where you edit it on your phone, I should say, because it's more options there, to have your phone number and your other accounts, and also to have links to guide your followers further ahead. Maybe not just to your web page, but also to other social medias or to other channels that you have. So then also I would like to say that I use a service that is called Linktree. So Linktr and then .ee, because there I can have more links than just a three, I think, that is possible on Instagram right now. So that is a really good way to have more links if you want to. And also on LinkedIn, you can also have contact information, and you can have more links there as well. But also you can have a clickable link where not just the contact information and all these things, but also on your profile in LinkedIn, you can have a link to your freebie or to something that is important that you want people to see, or a video or something else. And that's also quite new. I haven't seen that before either. So that's also a tip, just to be accessible and to be, yeah, approachable, and to see how can I contact you as a business owner. And also on your web page, I would like to say that don't just have a form, like a contact form. Please also write out your email address and if you want your phone number as well. Just because we have our phone number out there doesn't mean the whole world is going to phone us. But if they do, then maybe you should change it. But just to be able to reach you is a possibility to create business. And that's what we want, especially for this new year, which is for me a year of expansion, unlimited expansion to more freedom and to more success in our businesses and in our lives. That's what I want for you as well. So let's see here now if I had something else. Yeah, so this weekly video that I'm doing for you now has a subject each week. It's not just what you need to know for the week, it's a subject that you can use because I wanted to do the videos more accessible, but more also just not for 1 week, but for as a subject for you as a business owner and to create valuable content for you as a business owner. And also for today, I have channeled information from the goddesses. So I will do as I did before. I will read a text that I have channeled down from the goddesses so that you can have some more input around this with accessibility. Okay, here goes. Dear goddesses in the work, in the universe. Today, I ask for input about being accessible as a business owner and would like your input on this, please. I surrender to your guidance and act as a channel for your knowledge and point of view in this subject. Thank you. Yes, do not shy away from the endless possibilities to be in contact with potential clients and followers in various social media platforms. You are a star they want to follow and connect with, so please make sure you are possible to reach. Even if you have help and plan ahead for your postings and all that, make it a habit to scroll through your post to see and act on any comments or posts from followers. It shows that you are there and that when someone reaches out, they can get a human that answers. In this time with bots and AI, it's important to also stay authentic and being oneself. There is only one of you, so please be that person. To be accessible is, of course, a balance also between being personal and being a private person. You decide what is okay for you and not. But please start with being out there so that it's relatively easy to contact you. Dealing with so many different channels in today's media scene, you also need to decide how you want your followers and potential clients to contact you. Is it through DMs in a chat? Is it through phone or through emails? The more ways you have, the more possibilities for the person to be keen on contacting you. But you need to have a balance of what works for you. Just because you have your phone number out does not mean the whole world will phone you. But wouldn't that be a great thing? Maybe. Joke aside, please, being accessible is ever so important these days as we also connect with your social media content in so many different ways. Just as you need to be out there, it's important that you are mindful and think about how you want to stay in contact and also educate your audience on how you want them to contact you. Say it in your videos, write it in your posts so that you also communicate the best practice for everyone to be able to contact you. The universe also likes to communicate with you as a woman and a business owner, but we do things a bit differently. The universe uses your intuition, signs, and also music and lyrics to catch your attention. So if you stop, just sit still for a moment, and you allow us to reach you. The ideas and thoughts you get are from us, the universe, and the goddesses. Please trust and listen in from time to time. The more you try this, the better we get to communicate with you and to share what we see is a good thing for you to pursue in business. More on this in another session. Thank you for today and never stop believing that you can do the things you dream about. We are right here to cheer you on. We love you and your ideas and want to make them all into a reality. Just because you are a person that you are and that you run a business, it's a magical combination. And we believe in you so much. Just continue the road ahead. It will be awesome. Thank you from the universe for this message today. And if you're interested and you want to have your own goddess guidance like this, it is possible, and I can channel information to you that is personal to you and to your business. Yeah, this was this week's goddess guidance, and I'm Ellinor K, and you can reach me at hello at ellinork.com if you want to reach out or talk to me. But also in my social channels are all updated as I did before this video. Thank you and hope to see you soon. Bye.